All right, class, so what I want to do is just give you a little heads up on this part of the homework for lab 3. And what is interesting about this part of the lab is that there's a little technology thing that I want to bring to your attention, and namely the fact that, okay, so in this first tab, they ask you to get the descriptive stats for the weight of male freshmen and that of female freshmen. So I went ahead and I'm again telling you to go to data analysis, and we're going to go to descriptive statistics and hit OK. Alright, and what I want you to notice though in the input, for female, which ends at 40, so it's $B, $40. You see how I have, and this should start with 6, that's the other issue. So it should be $B, $6. Oh, I have 61. Oh my goodness, I'm here. Let me just delete this. Okay, so $B, $6, all the way to $B, $40, because that's the female data. Alright, so what I want you to notice is this. You notice how where it says labels in first row? Notice that I'm not checking that off, so hit OK. And okay, you see here where it's giving me the label 127. The only thing I would ask you is maybe take this entire piece, this entire column, right? And what we're going to, oh my goodness, I don't want to do that. What we want to do is we want to maybe format all of this so that we have, in terms of the data, let me see if I can get this to cooperate. Computer's a little overwhelmed at the moment. So I'm going to try to, there we go. So I'm going to format all of this, the cells. And what's interesting is if I go to number and I take away the percentages or the decimals, it kind of gives me the data like that. It's a little bit more raw. I would recommend you do that. That is the correct way to do it. If you, when you go to data analysis, if you happen to hit under descriptive statistics and you hit on label, it may do what it did to me, which is it literally was counting this first column as a label, because I was telling it to select from F6 all the way down. So when you're telling you this to select from B6 to B40, it literally is going from B6 to B40. And then if I happen to have selected label in first row, then in the B6 row is going to be considered a label. And so that's something that I need you to correct if you followed me on the first video. It takes 2 seconds, it's not really a big deal. And it's just gonna impact your data, the first question. This is correct. I believe this is the, no, actually I think this is the male data. So I would change this, $B, $41, colon, and all the way down to $B, $, and I believe it's 74 or 72. Let's see what it is. Sorry. 72. So we will put 72 here. 72, let's have it throw the data here. I'm going to change the output. I'll put the output for this down here so you can follow along and hit OK. Alright, and you see you get for the mean 160 and so on. I believe that this is the female data that I tried to run again, so disregard that. That was showing the opposite of what happens. So yeah, so there's your data for males. If you want to do the females again, I'll go ahead and I'll put the input here. Let's go to day 42 for input. Let's see. Day 42. So I'll input here. And this would be now changed we're gonna do $B, $6, colon, $B, $40, and hit OK. Notice again I have that unchecked, and so there's my data. Okay, so that's what I would suggest in the first data set. So when you do this part of the question, these are basically the answer. This is only column B, so if you want to do column C, D, and E, you'd have to repeat the process for each. Alright, I hope this helped you a little bit.